Starbucks like you want it, but
It's like literally a pumpkin chai.
I'm gonna set the camera down because I'm gonna talk. Have I met me?
I'm putting jeans on. I feel like me. I'm getting my personality back. I'm pretty sure I wore this outfit a month ago when I last vlogged. I am having really bad deja vu. What is deja vu? Does anyone actually know? What if it's like when you die in game and then you like respawn and that's when you respawn? That doesn't even make sense. What? I was saying something before I changed pants. I probably wasn't though. When am I ever saying anything? I say a lot without saying anything, you know? How's it 9 already? By the way, still been waking up at 5 a.m. every day, sometimes 4, only because, oh yes, that is what I have to talk about, Notion. Before we do anything today, update on the Notion. So, one girl messaged me on my Etsy and she was like, girl, it keeps saying error that I can't duplicate it. This was at midnight like 2 weeks ago. And I was like, oh my God, babes, give me a second. Let me check on my end to see what's up. And I pulled an all-nighter that night because it wasn't working. The template just decided, let's not duplicate anymore, babes. I took the template down while I like figured it out and fixed it. And in the process of figuring out and fixing it, I ended up redoing the foundation of everything. So that is why I've gone ghost for the last 2 weeks, because I've been basically pulling all-nighters, waking up at 4 some days to basically improve the template, and it's now fucking flawless, if I might say. If I thought how I did things before was good, that's disgusting. You know, I hate everything that I do, but this, I'm embarrassed that I even showed you the last version of the template, because I found a new way to be able to completely update you real time on every single aspect of the planner, and it's all connected to one little page. Well, it's not one little page, it has like 400 properties, but it's one page that analyzes all of the data and everything in your Notion to update you in real time every day on all of the pages. Depending on what the page is about, you have specific updates and notifications. You don't have to have pre-made entries in order for the data to be tracked. I don't even know how to explain what I did. Finishing it up, well, it's done today. I'm just like writing out the instructions. I don't know how to properly market my own shit. That's just not my strong suit. So let this bitch speak for herself. Also, something that I wanted to do with that is to have like a lifetime update. So if I'm ever updating anything within any of my templates, if you've already purchased it, you just go back to the link to download the template and I will have like all the current updates listed, and then you can like reduplicate it, all that stuff, because I'm a perfectionist, babe. So there's going to be improvements made. We're gonna do like lifetime updates thing, lifetime access. Does that make sense? Also, it's a forever dashboard, template, planner, life organization thing. You don't have to repurchase every year. It's good forever, babes. How long is this? 9 minutes. That's actually record-breakingly low for me. I'm also extremely heartbroken because I didn't celebrate my favorite month and holiday, and it is the end of October. It's the last weekend of October. I haven't even decorated, vibes. Next year I'm going hard, and we're starting in September with the fall content because I'm not missing my favorite holiday on the planet. I think that today, in honor of it being the last weekend of October, we should still decorate for fall, because like we have all of November to have the fall vibes, maybe not Halloween vibes, but we can like see what we have. Oh, and I'm gonna make pumpkin bread today. I need to watch Vampire Diaries. Okay, that is what we are doing. We're going to decorate, we're going to bake, we're going to watch Vampire Diaries. Okay.
Little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. The scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
I also forgot I have to paint my nails. They are despicable. Oh, it's time.
When is high school marriage?
And it's really...
I want us to start. She looks so right.
That's always there. Threw fall pillows on the couch at the beginning of October because I was like, let's zest it up a little bit while I work on Notion. Put some little TJ's pumpkins, my mug rack with my spooky mugs. It's fall. I put out Boo, my little spatula, which we're gonna bake with today. Little, what is that thing called? Oh, my Xbox turned on by itself. I love the ghosties here. It's so fun. I've been seeing angel numbers like, I forgot Atticus threw up on the jute rug. And what's funny is he throws up right at the edge of it as if to mock me. Like, you know what? I have all this wood floor to vomit on so you can easily clean it up. But no, vibes. I'm gonna vomit right on the rug that can't be washed and is impossible to clean. I had this sitting here for a month because I intended to decorate a month ago. But you know, why isn't my mom texting me back? That like bugs me. What else do you have to do besides being my mother? Not too much to ask. Okay, these I remember only have half of them lit. I say we get rid of the fairy lights on them because it's only half lit. And what was I thinking? Oh, but that, what? Spooky, no, unfortunately. I am so sad that I missed this season. It just feels right having spooky decorations all year round. So we're gonna take out the spooky stuff, and you know what? Who cares that it's Thanksgiving? It's not even a real holiday, it's a gossip real holiday. Why is your jaw broken? We named all of them last year. Cannot recall their names, but they're gonna have new names this year. Timothy, Tomothy, Jimothy. These hoes I can do without. Cause like, they're spooky, but I also butchered them. So you know what, we're good. You guys did fine, next year. Oh, I did this one perfect though. No, I didn't. Okay. Jamiroquai. I don't know. Feels right. Ooh, a candle holder. Do you remember my Bath and Body Works era? It actually makes me sick thinking about how much money I used to spend on dumb shit. Now that I'm an adult, ew. I'm gonna have to take this all back to my mother's house in like 2 weeks, but you know, go off. Happy haunting, black candles. Yeah, we can definitely, they're so messy. I own all Halloween things. Why do I love skulls this much? Oh! Something fall that's not specific to spooky. Oh, a mason jar. Go off. Ooh. Okay, we have Damon. Hate. No. I don't like these. It's too, how you say, ugly. I love having this because it's giving decor. I love it. Maybe it should go, maybe, I don't know. What do you think? What do we think? Better one, better two? Oh, that kind of makes more sense though. Does that make, that feels like that makes sense. We need to do a little something zesty. Okay, maybe, no, maybe, no. We could, no. This is so wrong and I hate it. No, maybe, you belong together. No, you don't. You absolutely don't. I hate it. Okay. Maybe that's fine. White and white. Me too. You know I mean business when I have this hat on and this outfit. I wear it all the time, but I always mean business, you know what I mean? I've probably linked this workout set like 1,000 times, but I'll link the workout set. It's from Amazon. Shoes are Adidas. I'll link them too. Yeah, anyway, I can't talk in the mirror. It's too shaky. Anyway, I am going to the Apple store this morning to pick up my new iPhone. I know I just got the 14, which was the new one, but babes, I have been getting the new iPhones in hopes that the camera will be better because something switched where the camera just became absolutely horrible on iPhones. I could not find any information on how to fix it. There's nothing to fix. It was just the photos that you would take would always auto edit. You couldn't turn it off. You would see the raw photo right before it like changed to the version that they edited it to. We're paying the price of a literal computer. Why are you doing this? I didn't want to post on Instagram or take stories or make reels because I would have a mentee bee every time I would take a picture, take a video, and it would be disgusting. My perfectionism couldn't handle it. I wanted to throw up. So I just gave up at that point. The new camera, I'm hoping is great because everyone is saying it's a big step up. If they're lying, I will scream and cry. You don't understand how badly I hate. Why do I feel like everyone can hear me? Last time I got my last iPhone, I accidentally deleted my entire SIM card because they changed it so that it's not physical anymore. It's an eSIM card. Yeah, I deleted the whole thing. That was a traumatizing experience. I loved it. So let's hope I don't do that again. I got it in white. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, okay. I had 2 cameras and now I have 3. Ooh, she's so sexy. I'm not taking the paper off yet because like this has to be an experience and I'm not doing this here in the parking lot where people are looking at me, you know? Oh, I did get little Starbies. I
go buck wild at Starbucks during this time of year. Otherwise, I make my chais at home, vibes, but this is a little pumpkin chai. There's a woman staring at me, so I'm gonna go.
I do absolutely, this is too tall. Let's bake some banana bread. No, why do I keep saying banana bread? It's like I missed her or something. We're baking, I was gonna say banana bread again. We're baking pumpkin bread. We're baking pumpkin bread, but before I do that, I need to fall in love. And before I do that, what did Michael Scott say? Before I have sex, I need to fall in love. And before that, I need to get married. Is that what he said? Okay, Atticus sees her walk in and he's like, I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch. And he goes and guards his water. Girl, it's water. And she drinks from the tap, sweetheart. She doesn't want your nasty ass sitting in a bowl, nasty tap water. Okay, I'm gonna make a chai because I can't. See, I'm really afraid. Okay, sidebar, when Atticus passes away, because he's getting old, he's, getting sick, getting old, and the day comes, I'm scared to only have a cat because that happens at 3 a.m. and she starts meowing at the walls, and it's a little scary to be in a house alone with a cat because they really sense out the ghosties. When you have a dog, it balances it out because they can hear the real world and the cats hear the spiritual world. I'm only gonna be in the spiritual realm and I don't like that. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I say that all the time and then I hate it when I have to come to the bridge and then we have to cross it and have to figure it out. Hate it. I'm gonna make a chai, I'm gonna watch Vampire Diaries. If you thought we were gonna talk through this, no fun. We're at the best time of the show, aka season 2, when David and Elena, when it's starting. Oh, my camera's dying. I love being alive. Why am I going in the microwave? What am I doing? What's that chai? Okay, I'm here to work. Your Honor, you weren't even there. What am I doing? Chai. Is it wise though to have caffeine at 5 o'clock? No. Do I do it anyway? Yes. Also, probably not great that I'm waking up at 4 a.m. lately. Just, I like getting on my computer and starting work at 4 in the morning and not doing my morning routine at all, just getting straight to working on my computer. But I'm not adjusting my bedtime, so I'm actually only getting like max 5 hours of sleep every night at best. I should work on that. If you came to me for health and wellness before, this is not the time, vibes. Well, actually it is the time because now I'm back. I'm out of my favorite straws. I'll use the second rate. Does anyone else pick favorites with their silverware? And like sometimes you have like a favorite straw. Yeah. That's not just me. I know other people are weird like that. Oh my God, I don't want to go to my email to log in. Just let me try a couple passwords and see what's up. Like, why you gotta make it so difficult? I can't wait to actually go in, use the Notion that I made, like everything blank and start fresh and just enter all my stuff in it. Oh, something about that is just gonna hit. I love newness. Even though I've been working on this for like months, being able to actually input my stuff, ooh, I can't wait. I think I mentioned that I wanted to talk about like dating and stuff like that in another video. I can't remember, it's really fuzzy up here, but, oh, I found out I'm emotionally unavailable. I think I've mentioned that. I don't know, but people said like emotionally unavailable people, go for emotionally unavailable people. That struck a chord. I didn't realize that because here I think I'm this like romantic lover. I'm not. I'm just psychotic, but also that's it. No, I'm just psychotic. I'm either psychotic or I don't care if you live or die. That's it. There's no in between vibes. There's no like nice, sweet lover girl in the middle of that. It's either psycho or no thoughts. No thoughts. Not even vibes. No thoughts, no vibes. I should go to therapy, but I am going on a hiatus from men. A hiatus from dating men. Literally the instructions say, mix ingredients and pour into pan. Is there no order? Is there no order in the courtroom? I like structure. I need it in baking and cooking. I don't even know what's happening. How did a bug get in here? This is a bug-free zone. Ew. I have a spider on my balcony that I named Tom. I love him. But then a huge spider, like double his size, came and fought him, and Tom fell to his death, and that's the end of that. Ooh.
Right there.
Ooh, this is prettier. Is it old though?
Uncle Mitch. It's good to see you, girl.
Great.
I'll sit back your father.
Is this a cup? 15 ounces, that's 2 cups. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Boo, can you fit in here? Oh, you can, kind of.
You really are hot in the soup. I would love to just
Eat you up.
Okay. Guys, I don't want to know.
Masquerade Catherine is top tier, nobody compares.
Vibe that.
Okay.
One of you guys gets hurt because of me.
Mason thing has me a bit confused.
He's not the only wolf in town.
Tyler?
There it is. So that we would have to get.